What's up guys, it's Ian here back with another product unboxing. Today I have a package from FedEx. It wasn't actually open. I just cut it open before I remembered I was going to make this video. So yeah, let's open it up and I'll show you what I got. Alright. I got a pair of Paralettes here made by Vita. These are small Paralettes. I think the higher Paralettes are going to be better for exercises like the L-sit to planche variation exercises, whereas these might be better if you're beginning learning handstand variations, because that way you're not going to fall from quite as far. With the higher Paralettes, you're a lot higher off the ground, so the risk of injury is probably a little bit higher when you're working on the handstand variations. And also the higher Paralettes might make push-ups arguably too easy, because at that point you're basically doing an incline push-up. Doing push-ups on these is going to bring you closer to the ground a little bit, more like doing a normal push-up on the ground but without as much wrist stress. Anyways, I'm excited to try these out. They're definitely well packaged. Took me a while to get that cellophane off, so I had to time lapse it. I'm gonna show you a few exercises. So I definitely thought these worked well. They stuck to the ground well with the crisscross pattern that they have on the bottom. They didn't slip at all. They are very close to the ground, so when I tried to do the L-sit to tuck planche variation, my feet kind of stuck to the ground. If you have socks on, I don't think that'll be an issue. It'll definitely benefit you to have socks on if you're doing wall handstand push-ups or trying to do that L-sit to planche variation transition on the Paralettes. That way your feet will slide instead of getting stuck on the floor or wall. You don't want to get stuck to the wall when you're in that handstand position. On the first set, probably noticed it was awkward. I was walking my feet up and down the wall. I think it's good value, and I'll check back in with you in a few weeks and let you know how it holds up over time. Thank you for watching and have a great day.